Okay, we got the bike back in the garage. This time we're gonna be doing front blinkers. These ones are just like massive, and we got these little guys right here. You can see the difference is quite substantial. Those are freaking huge, and these are tiny, and these are supposedly pretty bright. Somebody already did this on a Vitpilen, so I know it's possible. I'm not sure how to do any of the headlight removal or anything, but that should be pretty easy. Anyway, these are Morimoto LED indicators. You can get them on Amazon. They're like 30 bucks, so super cheap. Should be pretty good. And then they come with, looks like resistors or something, and then you just solder them on. So let's go ahead and start taking all the stuff off to get to the assembly. Okay, I got the headlight and the speedo off, so this reveals all of these to take off to get this assembly off to reveal the wiring behind it. All it took was these two screws up here and then another one on the back right there. You'll be able to see it better on this side right there. So just 4 bolts and then it does that. We can go ahead and take off, what, these like 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and we should have access to all the assembly. After taking off all of the, I think there's 9 bolts. We got one here, and there's also one in the center I didn't see, so there's 9 total. You're gonna get access to all this. The blinker wires come behind here, and I think they're zip tied, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these zip ties to get access to them, and then figure out where they go and then solder in the new ones. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I did not need to cut the zip ties. I could just like pull them out from the back, but I'm gonna do the same as the rear blinkers on this bike. I actually cut the clip and retain the stock clip instead of soldering onto different wires. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like pretty much trash these and just cut the clip off the end of it, and then just put the new blinker solder onto it. So let's go ahead, unclip these, pull these out, and then solder. If you have these exact ones, the black on the Morimoto blinker goes to brown on the OEM side, and then the black goes to the red. So go ahead and solder those up. Just bolt them on. Here they are after suffering through allergies to do this. That's why I sound all stuffy, but here is the right side blinker. They're pretty bright. They're actually directional. You can see like this little like oval in there, and that's supposed to like point it and shoot it out. So that's what that's for, but overall they look really good. They're way smaller, obviously, than the stock ones. So I'm really happy with them. Looks super good. Pretty easy install, as long as you're not sneezing and having to blow your nose every 30 seconds. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and that's it for today.